I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Kimi K3 on Windows operating system. So first here, if I open this place, command prompt, and if I write there pwsh minus minus version. So PowerShell send 63 that install. The next is if I go in the Google search box, write there Kimi. Then go on this kimi.com, Kimi AI. Click this. There you can ask anything. So by default, this here, Kimi 2.6, that's selected. You can select there Kimi K3. After that, the next is you can ask any query there. Here, this high is selected and this option also there. Now I'm going to do the installation on this window. So let's go on this Kimi code. Here, Kimi K3 is now support. If I click on this try now. So you can get this here, Kimi K3, got it. And here, Kimi code, there you can select if you have membership, upgrade Kimi. Then there you can select the Kimi K3. So first we need to install the Kimi code. Copying this one. And there you need to open this place PowerShell. PowerShell 7. And here press this or here paste this command and press enter. Code detected target 3264. The version and this is downloading currently. Total size 123.6 MB. So this is now currently downloading. Install. If I write this place Kimi, so you can get this message. So we need to here copy this location and here we need to set the path. So if I click this or till bin, press enter, here you can see Kimi exe file is there. So I need to copy this command. Sorry, copy the path. Then click on this edit system environment variable. Environment variable. Then move into the path, edit, new, paste. Okay, then okay. And the next is open the command prompt again, closing the previous one, CLS. If I write this time Kimi. So here, wait for few second times. So this you can get there. Kimi, welcome to Kimi code. And here, this is here. If I do, so here first we need to do the login. So select the login. Then after doing the login from this place, if you write there model, then you can select there. If you write model, then you can get their K3 options. And after giving the K3, you can start using this Kimi or code K3 inside your Windows operating system. So this is the way we can install the Kimi K3. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.